Gbola becomes an embarrassment when it cannot stand, when it cannot point and be facing to you. Gbola will become a source of pain and not a source of joy if you cannot make madam enjoy a solid pinko pinko. You see, if you want your pinko pinko to sound like this, when madam is hitting it, to check it, to do testing the Gbola microphone, listen carefully. If you want that Gbola to be strong, I will tell you how to go about it. Listen, you see, do you know that you are supposed to wake up with that thing standing strong? But when it's not standing strong, and Toto no they hungry you when you wake up, and your pinko pinko no they hard, they hit the bed, like say you want chuko for the bed, and say you know they struggle to make sure say you balance well, sleep well because the thing too hard. Listen, it means Gbola don't they go. Before you know what is happening, Otila, it might be present there, but it has disappeared functionally. Do you know what you eat before you sleep can affect your pinko pinko? You want solid pinko pinko miracle to make TOTO bring out H2O? Very easy. But do you know that when you sleep, your body is supposed to be at rest? You are supposed to wake up with that thing standing strong. But when you don't, your body is telling you something is wrong. Some of you sleep so late. Some of you don't sleep well at all. Some of you sleep for a very short time. You think you are hustling. You are making money, but you will make your honey cry in the bedroom. Because in the end, it will shock you that no matter how successful you become, if your Gbola cannot stand strong, you have made a terrible mistake. Have you asked yourself why there are so many sugar mummies that are advanced in age out there today? Because 90% of the men out there cannot make it stand anymore. They can't make it strong anymore. They did not invest in the bright future of their Gbola. So let me ask you, are you investing in securing the bright future of your Gbola? Are you eating healthy? Are you living healthy? Or you're one of those that will just go and be blah, 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 any small thing, blah, 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 blah. You want to drink everything where they out there. Say you dey flex. Give me suya, give me pizza, give me shawarma, give me that one, give me that one. Do you eat healthy? Are you living healthy? Do you sleep well? You are making money around the world, but you're about to lose your honey. See, your Gbola head is supposed to be strong. Let me teach you how to do that. Listen carefully. A lifestyle change and following my instruction can make you perform better. 09012 is how I can make that Gbola stronger and help you last longer and enjoy your woman better. Hit the follow button so you don't miss my next update.